Welcome to Common Pitfalls. Today we're going to talk about the ruts of teaching that instructors get into and how you can avoid it. In the P3 program, we have strategically put together these lesson plans so that you will avoid all of these pitfalls. But I want you to understand what's going on and what the problems are that you're avoiding. First off, instructors tend to teach the exercises that they are comfortable with, and they get into a habit of those exercises and they teach them over and over and over again. And what's going on is that, first off, the instructor is not getting practice teaching all of the exercises. So they don't really have the comfort zone with everything. So they're not understanding what different things should go on or shouldn't go on during the exercises and how to cue them best. Also, the client is not getting the benefit of the exercises that might be really helpful for them. They're only getting the ones that the instructor is good at. You want to really focus on this because as we're going to talk about with some problem-solving different discussions that we're going to have, you want to really make sure that you're doing what's best for the client, not just what you're able to do or comfortable with. Now, the other thing that happens is that you end up stuck on one piece of equipment. Usually that's the reformer, and the instructor stays there or always starts there and isn't comfortable and familiar enough with the other pieces of equipment to go there or start there. So we have purposely forced you to start on lots of different pieces of equipment and that you are not always on the reformer. This is also going to be good to teach and condition the client that the reformer is not the only piece of equipment. It's not the only way to do it, and that it's not like you have to be on the reformer in order to get a good workout. It keeps them open because the truth is all the pieces of equipment are important and should be utilized. So embrace those lesson plans and enjoy all the benefit of them. Just know that when people come to do test outs, all the time we hear, did we cover this in our training module? Or I don't remember this one. We must not have covered this one. And we always have to go back and say, yes, yes, we taught this. I know we went over every single one because we never miss any. But they've somehow missed it in they're going back over the exercises. And the exercise just kind of floated out into Pilates Never Never Land, never to be heard from again. And their client is not getting the benefit of the understanding of that exercise. And the instructor is not learning how to cue it and not seeing how that exercise fits in to the big scope, the big picture. So make sure that you teach all the exercises and you do a wide variety of those lesson plans.